Hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. We're here today in Plano on another theater project. I'm using the RP400 center speaker, the RP4000 floor standing speakers, which we actually used the other day on a project, and I was just thrilled with the performance. These tower speakers are only $300 retail each, and then the center speaker also is paired with it for $300. We're running for the subwoofer the R100SW, and then for our surrounds the CS16C2s in ceiling at the rear of the room. So this is just going to be a 5-channel system, and this is a space where it is not pre-wired, so we're going to be doing all the wiring for the customer. If you just kind of look around, most of the projects that we've been putting on YouTube have pre-wiring plates. In this particular situation, we're going to have to go and run all that wiring, which is why we're doing towers at the front, so we can run the wiring right along the baseboard for the front, left, right, and center, and sub. And then the rear of the room, we're going to hop up in the attic here and drop those in, as well as put our termination for our projector. And we're using the Epson 6040 projector and the high contrast 120-inch screen. Interested to see how this project turns out? Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.
So goodbye to Grayson. He's going off into the abyss just to get that HDMI wire down the wall. So he has to go back in there and find the exact location where the studs line up in between the wall and drill a hole so that we can run these lines for the surround cables down the front wall to where the equipment's going to terminate. Right down here at the front of the room, which you can see we've already put our hole in the wall. And I'm going to give him a hand by knocking on the ceiling. Alright, so he just sent the wiring down the wall. I'm going to pull it out here. Got your two 16.2s for the rears, HDMI, 4K, and a Cat 5 we ran just for IR control over the projector for future use or firmware updates if you want to use it as an Ethernet cable. Kind of just future-proofing the system. And then customer had it on Dolby Atmos last minute, so we're running a couple extra speaker lines to put up in the attic as kind of a pre-wire. So whenever we come back, it's easier. All right, Gracie got them all set up. Look here, we got our extra wiring for Atmos, two 16.2 in-wall rated lines for future use. And then all of our HDMI, Cat 5, and speaker line ready to go. Point out a key necessity to calibrating your projector properly, and that is making sure that it is level with earth, as well as the projector screen is level. And then the second part of that is making sure that your projector is in the center of the wall, equal distance from the wall on the backside. As long as you meet that criteria and your lens lines up with the top of the screen or below, then you're going to get a nice square image like we're getting now. This is the universal remote we're using for this system. One button press touchscreen. Has an optional charging cradle, which is $30. Remote's $2.99. Everything's programmed for our laptop here. There's a couple items that are recommended, but not mandatory. Wattbot surge protector for all the devices here at the front of the room. This will remove noise from the line as well as protect against lightning strikes and surge jumps.
This is gonna be for the equipment here at the front of the room. And then I got this little tiny 1 outlet surge protector for the projector. I love this little guy. It's 540 joules and just plugs right in up here on the ceiling. Perfect for projector or subwoofer. All right, hey guys, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I wanted to show off this system that we just completed today. We're using the Klipsch RP 4000 floor standing speakers in the front of the room, the 400 center speaker, as well as the R100 10-inch sub here, and then our custom series in the rears, which is the complete 5.1. We're driving everything with a Denon AVR X1500H using Apple TV for his music streaming, and then using a 1-button press touchscreen Pro Control remote for operating the system seamlessly. Let me show you that right here. This makes it very easy for the customer to come in and press 1 button and operate the entire system. Customer's happy, I'm happy. This is a great value projection system, as well as AV system. The whole system came in a little bit under $6,000. On the video side, we have the Epson 6040, and we're broadcasting onto the 120-inch high contrast gray screen. If you guys would like to purchase, give us a call. Don't forget to subscribe below, and thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.
We can't do this alone.